Hi, this is Tom Fleming doing the net neutrality assignment. Net neutrality was passed in 2015 with the stated intention of ensuring fairness and equality on the internet by shifting decision making, regulatory power, and thus decision making ability out of the hands of the corporations and individuals that created the internet and that had kept it running up to that time and it had built up uh, so many really giant corporations. And it was repealed in 2018. It hadn't really achieved its goal to the best of my gathering. And as one of the speakers in the provided work stated, it was a solution looking for a problem, which is exactly what I felt about it when it first passed. And frankly, when another one of your sources of information involved Ed Markey, the currently now the senator from Massachusetts, fighting to save net neutrality. That gentleman has been an elected official in Massachusetts literally since I was 2 years old. I not impressed by him at all throughout my life. So really, I feel somewhat vindicated that he was against repealing it while I was pro repealing it. I hope that meets the requirements of the assignment.